This is Pork Chop, or at least it was a few years ago. See, it's Pork Chop's birthday. Pork Chop was thinking about how many people he would have at his birthday party. He was so excited. Pork Chop started to think about his birthday cake. What kind of cake would he have? Before you knew it, he was even fantasizing about eating his cake. And he became even more distracted as he started to think of some of his favorite foods, like pizza. Pork Chop knew exactly who to invite to his birthday party. There was Chuck, Pinky, and Riblet. Oh, but wait. Pork Chop also had to invite his best pals on his soccer team. There was Bacon, Sausage, Peameal, and Ham. Pork Chop needed to count how many friends he would be having all together at his birthday party. We're going to be adding the two different groups of friends. Let's start with the last one first. There were a few of his friends on the soccer team. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. We are now going to count his friends from school. 1, 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 of his soccer friends that are invited to his birthday party. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 of his friends from school that are invited to Pork Chop's birthday party. We're going to need that number 4. And we're going to put the number 3 just above the number 4. And then we're going to put that little sign there next to the 4. That's called an addition symbol, or you can just call it the adding sign for now. And underneath there, we have a line. And the reason why we have that line is because we're going to add the 3 and the 4 together. And the answer that we get is going to go underneath that line. This is what the two different groups look like. On the one side, with the pink square in the background, you have 3 of his friends from school. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Now this next group of friends are Pork Chop's friends from soccer. Let's count together, starting with 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the one side, you can see that we stacked the 3 on top of the 4. And next to the 3, you can see that there's 1, 2, and 3 piggies. And underneath there, there's the number 4. And next to the number 4, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 piggies. So what we're doing is we are grabbing one group that has 3 pigs, and then we're going to add 4 more pigs to that group. Or you could say that you have 4 pigs and you're going to add 3 more. Whether you go 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3, your answer is going to be exactly the same. So if you look at the very top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pigs. And that would be his friends from soccer. And now we're going to add 3 of his friends from school. Now, they don't say 1, 2, 3. Instead, we had the 4, and we're going to continue counting from 4. So we have 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Hooray!
What's that? You want to try one more? Excellent. Let's do 1 plus 2. All right, I didn't give you any help.
Hooray!
Now we are going to be subtracting. So we're going to start out with, instead of 2 groups, we're going to start out with 1 group. And we're going to make that group smaller by taking another group away. Now, sometimes it could only be 1 or 2 numbers, or it could be a larger group of numbers. Okay, so in front of you, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 little piggies. All right, we have 6 pigs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we're going to remove 2 pigs. So we're going to grab 2 pigs and we're going to put them on the pink side. So here we go. And we've removed 1 pig and another pig. So we have 2 pigs on the pink strip. So we started off with 6. We took 1 and then 1 more pigs away. And on the white portion right now, the white part, not the pink part, just the white part, we're going to count to see how many pigs we have left. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, and you are right. Excellent. We have 4 pigs left over. So if you have 6 and you take away 2, you're left with 4.